Imagine a life where envy and negative energies can no longer disturb your peace. It's not just wishful thinking, it's achievable through the sacred teachings of Buddhism. For centuries, Buddhist masters have observed the profound harmony between humans and nature. Plants are more than decorative, they are living beings with the power to transform, shield, and nurture. In this video, we'll explore how 5 powerful plants can help protect your home from envy and negativity. But this isn't just about planting. It's about cultivating a mindset, an energy, and a home filled with balance and serenity. In a serene Buddhist monastery nestled in the Himalayas, there's a garden said to be impenetrable to negativity. Monks tell the story of a traveler who arrived at the monastery burdened by envy and resentment. After spending a week among the plants in the garden, Basil for purity, Lavender for tranquility, and Aloe Vera for healing, his energy transformed. He left with a heart full of peace. What makes this garden special? It's not just the plants themselves, but the intentional care, mindfulness, and spiritual energy poured into them. This garden serves as a living example of how plants can transform not only spaces but also the people within them. The 5 protective plants, their powers and placement. 1. Aloe Vera, the healer and protector. Aloe Vera is far more than a plant known for its medicinal properties, it's a spiritual ally. In Buddhist traditions, aloe vera is celebrated for its dual role as an absorber and transformer of negative energy. Its gel, while healing to the body, is equally potent in purifying the energy of a space. Spiritual insight. Buddhist teachings describe aloe vera as a sentinel of peace. Its ability to detect and absorb negativity makes it a vigilant guardian. When placed in a home, it acts as an energetic sponge, neutralizing envy, resentment, and ill intentions before they can impact the occupants. Example: imagine walking into your living room to find your aloe vera plant wilting, its vibrant green fading. While this may seem disheartening, it's not a sign of neglect. Rather, it's evidence of its diligent work in absorbing excess negativity. By doing so, it shields your home and allows you to focus on maintaining inner peace. Placement tip: to maximize aloe vera's protective powers, place it in high-energy areas such as the living room or bedroom spaces where you spend significant time, and where energy tends to accumulate. Ensure it gets indirect sunlight, as this nourishes its spiritual vitality. If your plant begins to decline, consider relocating it to an area with fresh, uplifting energy or performing an energy cleansing ritual. 2. Basil, the purity symbol. Basil, a staple in kitchens worldwide, is revered in spiritual practices for its extraordinary ability to purify. Its vibrant, fragrant leaves serve as a reminder of its powerful role as a protector against envy and negativity. Cultural connection. In many cultures, basil is considered sacred. It is used in purification rituals, from Hindu temples to Southeast Asian homes. In Buddhist contexts, basil is associated with serenity and spiritual elevation. Its mere presence in a room can cleanse the atmosphere and create a sense of calm. Practical application. Basil's power extends beyond its ability to repel negativity. By incorporating fresh basil leaves into your meals, you not only protect your home but also infuse yourself with its protective energy. This act symbolizes a holistic defense, internal and external, against the corrosive effects of envy. Placement tip: place basil in areas where energy flows abundantly, such as the kitchen or dining area. Its fresh, earthy scent elevates the vibrations of these spaces. Ensure it gets plenty of sunlight to thrive, and continuously emit its purifying energy. A pot of basil on a windowsill can serve as both a culinary and spiritual powerhouse. 3. Rosemary, the sword of clarity. Rosemary's slender, aromatic leaves hold an energy that is as sharp and precise as its flavor. Known in spiritual circles for its ability to clear stagnant energies, rosemary acts as both a cleanser and a barrier against negativity, especially envy. Function: in Buddhist teachings, rosemary is likened to a sword that cuts through confusion and ill intentions. It doesn't just repel negativity, it promotes mental clarity and emotional stability, allowing you to navigate life with a balanced and focused mind. Story: a devoted meditator once shared how placing a rosemary plant near her meditation corner transformed her practice. The plant's presence cleared the mental fog that had been troubling her for weeks, enabling deeper concentration and serenity. Rosemary is not just a protector but also a guide, helping you connect with your inner self. Placement tip: to utilize rosemary's full potential, plant it near entrances, windows, or areas where energy often fluctuates. These locations allow it to act as a natural filter, preventing negative energies from entering your home. Additionally, burning dried rosemary leaves can cleanse and rejuvenate a space, amplifying its protective properties. 4. Snake plant, the silent defender. The snake plant, with its upright, sword-like leaves, is a natural sentinel. Its resilience and adaptability make it an ideal protector, quietly working to shield your home from negativity without demanding much attention. Role: Buddhist teachings refer to snake plants as silent warriors. They thrive in spaces of high traffic, where energies often become stagnant or chaotic. The snake plant absorbs and neutralizes these energies, ensuring they don't accumulate or affect the people living in the space. Placement tip: place the snake plant near doorways, hallways, or dimly lit corners, areas prone to stagnant energy. Its low-maintenance nature makes it perfect for such locations. While it silently absorbs negativity, its upright form symbolizes resilience and strength, a visual reminder of its protective role. 5. Lavender, the energy transmuter. Lavender, with its soft fragrance and delicate purple flowers, is often associated with relaxation. However, its true spiritual power lies in its ability to transmute negative energy into something neutral or even positive. Unique power: lavender doesn't merely absorb envy and ill will, it returns these energies transformed. Buddhist practitioners view this as a karmic balancing act, returning negativity not with harm, but with neutrality or positivity, thus breaking the cycle of resentment and envy. Real-life impact: consider the story of a family struggling with constant arguments in their home. By introducing lavender into their chaotic kitchen, they observed a remarkable shift. The plant's energy fostered harmony during meals, transforming their interactions into moments of connection and love. Lavender became not just a plant but a silent mediator. Placement tip: Lavender thrives in a variety of environments, from sunlit gardens to shaded indoor spaces. Place it in areas where you seek peace, such as bedrooms or meditation corners. Its calming scent enhances relaxation while its energy ensures the space remains free of negativity. Regularly prune and water the plant to maintain its vibrancy and effectiveness. Practical application: creating your energetic fortress. 1. Intentional placement: choose spots where energy stagnates: corners, windows, and doorways. 2. Caring for your plants: regular watering, sunlight, and mindful interaction amplify their protective energy. 3. Combining rituals: enhance plant power with Buddhist meditative practices, such as chanting or mindful watering. A young couple struggled with envy from neighbors after renovating their home. Seeking guidance, they learned about the power of lavender and rosemary. Within months, their home became a sanctuary not just from envy, but also for personal growth. The lesson: harmony inside attracts harmony outside. Personal insights: why this works. 1. Energy dynamics: plants operate as energetic sponges, naturally balancing environments. 2. Alignment with Buddhism: by treating plants as sentient partners, we embody the Buddhist principle of interdependence. 3. Practical benefits: beyond spiritual protection, these plants also improve air quality and mental clarity. Lessons for the audience: 1. Inner peace reflects outer harmony. Like plants, we must cultivate our energy daily through meditation, gratitude, and mindfulness. 2. Envy's root lies in us. Combat envy not with retaliation but with self-growth and spiritual practices. 3. Care equals protection: the better you nurture your plants, the stronger their protective shield becomes. Envy, like a shadow, feeds on disorder and discord, but it cannot withstand the light of harmony and love. By introducing these 5 remarkable plants into your home, you're doing more than enhancing its beauty, you're reconstructing an energetic sanctuary. These plants, with their protective and transformative powers, serve as silent sentinels, guarding against negativity, and inviting positivity into your life. But remember, the most profound shield isn't just the plants themselves, it's the peace, unity, and love that you nurture within your home and your heart. These elements amplify the protection offered by the plants, creating a space where negativity simply cannot thrive. Today is the day to begin this transformation. With each plant you place, you're not just adding greenery. You're sowing seeds of serenity, cultivating growth, and building a fortress of positivity. Let envy and negativity remain at your doorstep, unable to breach the harmony you've created.